since I've seen you smile. Take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together.
Taking my time as the sun that shines on me and everyone that has come to find.
Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada. So right now, nandito kami ng anak ko, naglalakad dito sa my neighborhood lang namin dito sa West End kasi we're at the peak of fall foliage. So before mag-snow at malaglag lahat ng mga dahon ng mga puno, so I just wanna go around, take a video and enjoy the scenery. Kasi ang Edmonton right now is all yellow. Look at my background. Everything is yellow. Yan. So hindi pa bumaksak lahat ng dahon. So it's nice to at least take a glimpse. By the way, my son is here with me. Yeah, so today is October 13. Actually, it's Thanksgiving Day. Wala kaming pasok sa work. So I have the time to do this walking around. Exercise na din.
Living in the moment is the only truth, but let's go slow. Salted towns are where I'd rather be. They give me love and they set me free. The ocean's tides can't live without the moon, and darling, the same goes for me and you. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth, but let's go slow.
So we're just enjoying the view. Sa Calgary, nakita ko lang sa mga ibang YouTube videos and even posts, nag-snow na yata in the past days. And then I checked the weather app naman for Edmonton. I think next week parang merong konting snow, although it's a wet snow, so baka magmi-melt din. Less than 1 cm. And I think even like October 27, mukhang may mga nagbabadyang snow na din, although looks like wet snow pa din. So hopefully, kasi ang mahirap niyan pag bumaksak na makapal na snow, usually nag-stay on the ground na yon. And sabihin, start na ulit ng winter season, hibernate season na ulit. We're now moving on to the other park kasi maganda rin doon eh. Tapos may woods din doon and then may malaki ring lake. Ito ang ganitong, ang dahon niya kulay pula. Pag sa Ontario, maganda ang fall nila kasi talagang multiple colors. May red, may brown, may yellow, may green, and so on. Dito sa Edmonton, karamihan yellow lang eh. Okay, moving on. Ay, ito ang cute kasi Halloween na sa October 30 or 31. Ang cute ng designs nila, oh. Ito ang cute din ng decor nila dito. Ang ginagawa nila, lalaro ng mahjong, poker, then minom ng beer. Okay, so ito na yung papunta dun sa kabilang park naman. Actually, the best time to watch the fall foliage here in Edmonton is first week ng October. Pero the past days kasi umuulan, kaya hindi ako nakalabas. But at least naabutan ko pa. Yan, look at this. Oh, may mga red din ng dahon. And this is the other park. Parang drain yung water. Oh yeah. Kasi nagka-problem itong lake na to before, di ba? What was that again? Yung may mga fish na invasive or goldfish? What is it? Oh yeah, oo. Parang may mga nagtapon ng goldfish dito. Tapos dumami. So, they've been cleaning up this lake. And it's still drained ko. Konti lang yung water. Ganda ng reflection sa water, oh. Okay, let's walk some more. Kasi merong woods dun sa area doon eh. So, let's see kung anong makikita pa natin. Kapag summertime, dito sa area na to maraming Canada goose. Pero minsan may mga warnings kasi kapag yung mga Canada goose may mga baby, matatapang sila ng hahabol. Yeah, so for me, aside from summer season, fall season is one of my favorites as well kasi coming from summer, masarap yung temperature kapag wala pang snow. And the fact na maganda yung surroundings, colorful. Hindi kagaya kapag winter season na kung hindi man white, it's brown dito sa Edmonton. Okay, so here we are nasa woods area. Ganda, daming puno, oh. Lakas din ng hangin kaya medyo malamig, pero carry naman. Ayun, may viewing point dito eh. Punta muna tayo dito sa may viewing point. Ganda ng reflection dun sa tubig, oh. Okay.
I like that gazebo.
Oh yeah. Yung ganda ng gazebo ng mga bahay dun. Ito, mahal yung mga bahay na yan na facing backyard nila is the lake. Yan, so this is the whole lake. Yeah, actually this is a stormwater facility ng EPCOR na nagka-catch ng pinaka-drainage. So nagka-catch ng water coming from the homes and then for treatment. And then in case na maulan din or melt yung snow, so dito ang lahat ng punta para hindi nagpo-flooding. Ang ganda ng fall. Gago. Ganda ng fall season. Okay, moving on. So lakad tayo dito sa may mga woods. What's the temperature today, Ethan? I didn't check. Pero single digit, no? Oh, yeah.
Or like low minus.
Is it? Yeah, I'm not even checking the weather app anymore. Pero medyo malamig lang naman kasi humahangin. Kaya nakasuot ko na yung aking ever reliable puffer winter jacket na actually itong jacket na to, I use it in multiple seasons from spring to fall and winter. So itong sweater na to, super ROI na siya sa akin. Hear the wind. Car. Ang tagal-tagal na rin pala akong hindi naglakad sa woods na to. Dati pag summer, naglalakad-lakad kami dito. Although sometimes, may mga, what is it? Oh yeah, the bird house. Ito mga project ng mga bata. Ng mga bird house. Yun din. Pero minsan may mga warnings dito na minsan may coyote daw eh. So, I'm following the Facebook page of our community. So, dun ko nalalaman kapag may mga warnings sila. Minsan may mga sightings ng coyote. Ganda oh. Bakit walang tao? Nakakita kami ng dalawa lang kanina. Pero after that, wala na. Ganda dito pagka ganyan oh. Tabi-tabi yung mga puno. Tapos lahat ng dahon, yellow na. Nice. This one is orange. That one's red. So, paglabas namin dito sa woods na to, another community na. Pero hanggang dito may mga bahay pa, oh. May malalaki yung mga bahay na malapit dito. Mahal yan. Ayun. Finally, may nakikita akong tao dun sa dulo. So, walking exercise in the evening. It's almost 6 o'clock na eh. Tapos, maaga nang nagsa-sunset na o mga 7 p.m. na ang sunset. Okay, so pag exit namin, dito na kami sa bandang kanan. Tapos, kabilang community na yung lalabasan namin. Here you go. Another bridge here. Tapos parang may nakita akong another viewing point to the right side. Ah, may isa pang maliit na lake dito sa kaliwa. You know. Tapos kalsada na doon. And then daming rocks dito. And yan yung lake na pinanggalingan namin kanina. Okay, let's keep walking. Ayan o, pa-sunset na. Okay, so let's check out this viewpoint before we go back home. Ganda oh. Parang sarap pag may bahay ka dito. Sakto, pa-sunset na. Pero yung araw nandito sa west area. Yeah, your mouth is smoking na eh. You feel cold?
No.
No? Okay. Time to go home. Let's go home na. Okay, that's a good exercise. What time do we go out? 5? Can't remember. So, ito na yung kalsada. Oh. So, may dumadaan na bus. Dilaw na dilaw yung puno kasi yung sunset. Nagbibeam yung sunlight. So, yung fall season dito actually started nung September 25. If I remember the date correctly. So, that will be running until the end of November. Kaya lang dito sa Edmonton talagang maaga ang snow. Usually, nagtutuloy-tuloy na yung snow at the start of November. May mga time namin sa bumabaksak maaga, October, pero paisa-isa lang. Swerte kung mag-melt. Pero November talaga yung tuloy-tuloy na. 1 month of the fall season is nagiging part of winter. Kaya medyo mahaba yung winter dito. Gusto ko itong neighborhood na to. Ang ganda ng kanilang fence sa harapan. Oh. Mga bricks. Ito yung mga homes na yung backyard nila is yung lake. Kaya mamahalin ang mga bahay na to. So ito yung park na pinanggalingan namin. Nandun kami sa loob kanina. So yung labasan niya. So dito na. And then itong house na to, oh, every year to, dami yung Halloween decor. I know this is owned by a Filipino kasi nung nagko-commute pa ako, pasok sa downtown before, yung mag-asawa, nagko-commute sila and we're riding the same bus going home coming from the, what's that LRT station again? South Campus LRT station. Tapos dito sila laging bumababa. Familiar sa akin yung dalawang couples na may-ari ng bahay na to. And they're both Filipinos. Pero kami sa bahay, hindi kami nagde-decor ng Halloween eh. Siguro kung maliliit pa tong mga anak ko, I might do that. So hindi na, it's more of Christmas na. Yan, sunset na. Look at this. Yung mga Halloween decors nila nandito sa labas. Mga witch, nakakatakot, skeletons. Itong bahay na to, super dedicated din yan sa mga Halloween decors every year. Katakot twins. Sometimes may decor sila na yung may sound eh. Baka doon sa end. Parang, ay, creepy. Cute. This time nilawas nila yung mga decors nila dito sa labas mismo. Cute, oh. Oh my God, dami. Nadagdagan pa. There's more. Oh my God. That's creepy.
I like that big spider one.
Ay, wala pa yung... Meron yung making sound eh. Ayun, this one's cute, oh. The one in red coat. Ang cute. Okay, we're near home na. It's a good walking. At maganda rin na nakita ko yung scenery ngayong fall season before it fades. Kasi in the past months, I've always been busy. So kahit na naka-work from home ako, nakatali ako sa loob ng bahay. Siyempre, hindi lang naman working, but even household chores. Then, we're planning to go somewhere also this week. I wish to get more views of the fall scenery. Hopefully sa River Valley. And Alberta Legislature. Hopefully, I'm gonna add in this video. See you again next time.